I should be eating some of these awesome tangerines. That is part of my review. I'm going to cut this open and show you what's inside. Okay, to cut this tangerine, I've selected the Porsche Turbo. This is the paring knife. Notice the blue pearl. That's very important. That designates it as being the sharpest German knife made today. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to quickly remove the zest like this. And I'm going to save some of this zest for various recipes, as well as maybe some tea. So just the outside pieces like this, I don't want to waste this. This little fruit is expensive. They're hard to get. I'm going to reserve that and prepare it in just a moment. The larger Porsche knife. Let's give this a quick chop. That's what I'm looking for right there. Yeah, really nice. I'm going to remove the bottom. I'm going to remove the top. And then I'm going to peel the rest of this skin off of here. You can only do this with a really sharp knife. Trust me on that. This fruit is super ripe. Beautiful. Now I've got a glass, and I'm going to put some of this fruit into the glass. Switching back to the correct knife, the small one. Touch of the zest. And now this is good to go. That's going to be really good. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Check out the awesome Turbo knives. Keep cooking and have a great day. Oh, if you want to learn more about the knives Chef is using, just check out your sponsor right there. These babies are sweet. They're on sale right now. It's a promotional sale. Prices will be going up. And this is the sharpest knife made in Germany according to independent tests. And I'm going to work it in a plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Boost blocks. Don't forget to click that little like and subscribe button so we know you're into the video. Share it with your friends. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. So check it out, support your sponsor right there. Have a wonderful day.